Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to add WhatsApp order button on Shopify. So here in our Shopify online store area, we're going to click on edit theme right here. If you're not here and you're on Shopify, you want to make sure you're clicking on online store and then themes, and then you can click on edit theme. So click on it. Now when it takes you to this page, you're going to go over to the top area and hover over the home page, click on the drop down, and then under product, you want to click on it. Then select default product, and this is the product we'll be using for this example. And on the left side you're going to see product information. It's also a drop down, so you're going to click on it, and then you're going to look for ad block. Click on ad block. Then right here in the search area you're going to search for custom, because we're looking for custom liquid. So click on it, and now that it's been added to the left side panel, you want to click on it again. Then you have the area where you can write in your liquid code. We're going to paste the code right here, and this code will be in the description of this video so you can easily copy and paste it. You can see that by copying and pasting this right here, you can see order via WhatsApp. And then now that we have it right there, a few more things we'll need to do is to come over here to the bottom area of this liquid code, and you can see order via WhatsApp. This is exactly the same text we have right here. This means that you can make a customization or edit it, right? So you can do whatever you want right here. But more importantly, with this code, you can come over to the top area right here. So what we're going to do to this number is to highlight it and put in your phone number with your country code. And then before you head out, you're going to come over here and delete the plus. Basically, you're putting your full phone number without the plus. So make sure you're putting your full number with international standards and then remove the plus. Once you do that, it will automatically save. And then once this is clicked by anyone, it will take them to your WhatsApp page where they can actually make an order. Then of course you could click on save. If you'd like to make some more changes, you can go back on the custom liquid block, click on back. And then right here you have custom block. You can click on the holder icon right there and drag it down to anywhere you'd like to have it. If you want it to be below the product description, you can put it right there and it will be right here. So this is how to add WhatsApp order button on Shopify.